Oh, this is beautiful, bro. Oh my god, that sounded heavenly. Hello?
I see the new evil 적대적인 고난과 슬픔 넌 덮아 왠지 나 시켜 that's my novice is my novice
And the whole world is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Oh, wait. I like that. No?
Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my
Hey, or fucking whoever's the voice behind the bro, shout out you. Oh my god. I'm rewinding if you can't tell.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Me rewinding and playing it again does not help for me trying to put this on YouTube, but I don't care. This is too good.
Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies
Oh my god, bro.
I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Oh.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony.
Oh, this is beautiful, bro.
This is what it sounds like.
Stop this song.
Oh my god, that sounded heavenly. Hello?
Stuck inside my head. I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what
The song we couldn't write. This is what it's. That's so good.
Stop this song.
we're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters. No
Oh.
dying, I'm tired. Dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
Oh, that's beautiful. And they made the new honeymoon.
We broke into a million pieces.
Hey.
Can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the cover?
Hey, soundtrack of the fucking year. Soundtrack of the fucking year, bro. Why haven't I heard of this song? Like I have of Golden. Golden's fucking amazing, okay? And I will be listening to this soundtrack non-stop going forward because I would have if I had already watched the movie. This will be my type artist by the end of the year, bro. I swear to God. Why haven't I heard of this song to the level that I've heard of Golden? Excuse me?
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
Voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Ooh.
Stuck inside our head. Get up and let the jagged edges meet the
defeat.
Holy fuck. Back here, girl. Go do it, because I know what's gonna happen. Come on. It's typical animation shit. Come on. Do it. Back here, girl. Oh, is he gonna do it? I thought it was gonna be Mira and Zoe. Oh.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
You did.
You did. Oh, I had a feeling, bro. I had a feeling.
Soul back. And now, I give it to you.
Oh. Well, that's a little feelsy, bro. Oh, the fan chant. She uncovered his face in real life. She sliced up his abs. Oh, this is so good. Getting glass. The lies, this is what. Oh, the fan chant together, bro. I love that shit. Wow. Is he gonna be golden? Oh, it was so good. This motherfucker.